Today we're drawing a home located in Slidell, Louisiana, listed for $269,900. Built in 2021 and located in the popular Lakeshore Villages community, this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home offers over 2,080 square feet of living space and is in excellent condition. Stepping inside, you'll find an open layout designed for both everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen is one of the highlights of the home, measuring more than 18 feet long and featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry, and a large center island that overlooks the living and dining areas. Whether you're preparing meals, helping with homework, or hosting family and friends, the kitchen serves as the heart of the home. The spacious primary suite measures nearly 20 by 13 feet and provides plenty of room for a king-size bedroom set and additional seating. 3 additional bedrooms offer flexibility for family members, guests, a home office, workout room, or hobby space. With 4 bedrooms, the possibilities are endless for adapting the home to fit your lifestyle. This home is already upgraded beyond what many new construction homes provide. It includes a tankless water heater, smart home features, pull-down attic stairs in the garage for convenient storage access, and modern finishes throughout. These upgrades help save money, improve efficiency, and make everyday living just a little easier. Outside, you'll find one of the property's best features, an oversized concrete patio with plenty of room for grilling, outdoor dining, and relaxing with friends and family. Imagine spending Louisiana evenings cooking outdoors, watching children play, or simply enjoying a quiet cup of coffee in the morning. The backyard offers additional privacy and space while still being easy to maintain. Lakeshore Villages is known for its family-friendly atmosphere and amenities. Residents enjoy access to a community pool with a splash pad, a clubhouse, a dog park, and 2 playgrounds. It's the kind of neighborhood where neighbors gather, children can stay active, and pets have room to run and socialize. Convenience is another major advantage of this location. Highway access to Oak Harbor is nearby, along with shopping, restaurants, grocery stores, and everyday necessities. Commuters will appreciate the ease of getting around the area, while weekend adventurers can take advantage of Slidell's unique location. New Orleans and the Mississippi Gulf Coast are both within easy driving distance. Whether you're interested in enjoying world-famous restaurants, attending festivals, spending a day at the beach, visiting casinos, or heading out for fishing and boating, you'll find countless opportunities nearby. If you're searching for a move-in-ready home with modern upgrades, desirable community amenities, and a location that combines comfort with convenience, deserves a closer look. Thank you for watching AI Draws Homes, where real homes become hand-plotted artwork, one line at a time.